on the Southern State eastbound approaching the Meadowbrook, there is an accident. Truck is bumper to bumper, barely moving back to exit 17 right now. Over on the Northern State, we are delayed sporadically between 36 and 34. It's not a stop-and-go trip. LIRR is doing excellent. We've really got no big problems to tell you about. Let's check and see how we are doing in the Bronx. We had earlier problems on the Bronx River Parkway that have thinned out now, and the New England Thruway is doing much better as you make your way down to the Bruckner. So we go to the Bruckner, where we're heavy on the southbound side, from Capitol Hill Avenue to the Sheridan, and then jammed from Hunts Point Avenue down into the RFK. The Deegan is packed as it is out of Queens into the RFK. Southbound Harlem River Drive is jammed. 143rd Street, pretty much all the way down to 102nd along the way there is a crash. The northbound scene into that crash site goes all the way back into East 34th Street. Through Lower Manhattan, the FDR is starting to get jammed up too, northbound between Grand and East Houston. We have alternate side of the street parking in effect today, citywide. We're sponsored by Burton LLP. While your business has evolved as your accountants stay behind, let Burton create innovative tax solutions to benefit your family and business. Visit BERTEDONLLP.com. Burton Accountants and Advisors. We listen, we solve, we do. I'm Karen Stewart. I'll send 10 with. Let's take a listen to the AccuWeather forecast now. Meteorologist Brian Thompson.
Looking pretty good overall, Bridget, through the weekend. Just very isolated showers around this afternoon. That'll be mainly north of the city, around Santa Cloud, the cool gusty wind. Still feeling a lot better than yesterday. High 74 tonight. Mostly clear and comfortable with less wind. We'll drop to 60 in Midtown into the low to mid-50s in most suburbs. A warmer day tomorrow. Really nice start to the weekend. We'll have a fair amount of sunshine, low humidity, a high of 82. Then it becomes breezy and more humid on Sunday with times of clouds and sunshine. There will be a shower or thunderstorm in spots. Sunday's high around 81. Quite warm and humid Monday with clouds and limits of sunshine.